Hi, in this quick tutorial, we are going to show you how to log into Chat GPT. Let's get started as I share my screen. So the first thing you want to do is go to the Chat GPT site, and here is the URL for you. Notice I'm already there. And you want to go to this website right here, chat.openai.com. And when you get there, you want to click sign up because you don't have an account yet. And yay, it says create your account. Please note that phone verification is required for sign up. Your number will only be used to verify your identity for security purposes. If that is going to be a problem for you, you might want to think twice about using this powerful tool. So go ahead and sign up. So you're going to go to an email. I'm going to use my work email since my personal email is already in use for ChatGPT. And you click continue. Of course, if you already have an account, you would click login. You could also, you see your options here, continue with Google if you prefer, or Microsoft account, since this is Microsoft tool. And click continue. And then they want your password. And it says it's got to have at least 8 characters. And click continue. It doesn't like my, there we go. And it's checking my browser. This just takes a moment. And it's going to verify your, ask you to verify your email. So you're going to do that. Once you verify your email and go through all the hoops that it asks you to go through in order to verify that you really are a person and not a bot, let me show you what that's going to look like. I wanted to begin this YouTube video, so I asked it to write a short introduction about how to log into Chat GPT. And there it is. Bam, in seconds, it helps me. And off to the left there, it shows the history of my requests. And that's it. Be sure to subscribe for more technology tips. Thank you for listening.